Hello everyone and welcome to AK Home Decor. In this video we all be sharing some TV unit design ideas whether you decided to mount your TV on the wall or have it sit on a stand. A TV console is the perfect way to increase your entertainment experience plus by provide amply store for your media installs and a solution to stretch away and side correct the right entertainment unit can also give your discore and extra injects of cleanliness and style from unit with remote control mode fair place that make Crackdown upon your favorite TV show extra conjured to sleek floating TV stand that keep your floor clean and your media organized. This collection include it all. So sit back, relax and enjoy this video minimalist wood and white TV stand and plain at minimalist TV stand with a wood panel that will help keep any room stylish and organized. The double panel design is atypical for handing away on-site cards with the three bottom storage doors and perfect for taking away movies, game or any other easily cutter wall-mounted TV panel and freestanding TV stand functional and sleek. This TV stand feature a TV panel top slabs a freestanding stand with storage and visibility in lighting modern TV entertainment unit with LED lighting and internet entertainment unit with major style. This storage solution is extra modern with its large polo lighting, glass slips and wood. Press a TV stand and entertainment center a TV stand that is easy on both the eyes and the wallet with its sleek duotone design and budget-friendly price tag. A TV stand with wall slips. A modern TV stand with an extra top slabs that provide a dress of unsuspected flair. With this unit you get multiple slips and valve as to storage. Cupboard black glasses modern TV stand with LED. This sleek TV stand will not disappoint with its glossy finish and LED lighting features force of sleeves space for console and doors to stretch away and add any and small mid center modern TV stand a style and digital media center modern TV stand that is and in this video and subscribe to channel and share the video and bell icon press subscribe to channel. Thank you for watching video and next video. Thank you.